Welcome to State's new HS1000 laundry pump training video. In this video, you will learn how to set up and program your HS1000 laundry pump, as well as program the lockout and delay time features. HS1000 is the most common selection for small home style laundry machines, and it is push button activated. Programming. HS1000 allows for a 999 seconds or 16.65 minutes delay setting used to delay pump runtime after activation. This feature is most often used when adding softener or disinfectant to the rinse cycle. Setting up your pump. Each pump comes with the tubing required as well as a tube straighten assembly and a foot valve for the chemical intake tube. All these items are required for proper operation of the laundry pump. Once the pump is mounted and the tubing assembled, plug the pump in. When the pump is powered, the switch is at the on position and display shows on. Password. Programming menu is accessed from standby by pushing and holding the Enter Program key on the top right corner for at least 4 seconds. The first item to appear is P, password. By entering the correct password 000, it is possible to enter and make changes in the menu. Programming the HS1000 laundry pump. Using the button on the side, select the off position. This is the standby position and the display should read SBY. Enter the programming mode using the up arrow prime button. Press until 5 cal appears. Press the enter programming arrow and the display will blink CAL. Use a small measuring cup held under the discharge of the pump and press the up arrow key and release. The pump will start. Let the pump run until the desired amount of detergent appears in the measuring cup. For most home style machines, this will be 2 ounces. However, for larger extraction and high efficiency machines, this dosage will be 1 to 2 ounces per 10 pounds of dry laundry. Consult the product catalog page or label for specific product dosage. When the desired amount of detergent is in the measuring cup, press the up arrow key again to stop the pump. The display will show the run time for the pump. Press the enter program key and the display will show 5 cal again. The pump is now both calibrated for the specific detergent as well as programmed for use. Remember to calibrate the pump if different product is used. Each product is a slightly different viscosity. While the pump run times will be close, for accuracy, it is recommended to use the calibration program to both calibrate and set the pump run time. To save the programming setting, use the up arrow prime to scroll through the menu until HLD is displayed in the screen. Press the Enter Program key to save your settings. The pump will return to standby mode and on will appear on the display. Use the button on the side of the pump to switch the pump on the on position. Programming the lockout option. The pump lockout option is desirable as a method of preventing a user from adding too much detergent. The lockout feature locks the pump out from operation for a set time after the initial detergent addition is run. Place the side switch in the off position. The display shows SBY. Enter the program mode. Press the arrow up prime key until the display shows 3. Press the Enter Program key. The red display first digit will blink, indicating you are setting the first digit in the delay time. Time is measured in seconds on your pump. A maximum setting of 999 seconds would be 999. Use the up arrow prime key to select the first digit you desire for the lockout. As an example, for a timeout setting of 950 seconds, the first digit would be 9. When you have reached your desired set point, press the Enter Program key to lock in the first digit. The second digit will automatically begin to blink. Repeat this step for the remaining 2 digits in your time setting. In our example, the second digit would be 5 and the third digit would be 0. To save the setting you have programmed, after none of the digits are blinking, scroll through the menu option using the up arrow prime key until the display shows HLD. Then press the Enter Program key to lock in your settings. Programming the delay time. Your pump is equipped with a delay timer that delays the addition of product to the wash cycle. For most detergent applications, you will not need a delay timer. However, for the addition of softener or sanitizer, you will want to delay the addition of these products until the rinse cycle starts. For a home style machine, run the wash machine through a wash cycle and time the start of the rinse portion of the cycle. This is often 10 to 14 minutes into the washing process. For your specific machine, record the time to the rinse cycle. This will be after the first flush and during the rinse water addition. For the addition of softener or sanitizer, use this as the delay time setting. The delay timer and setting is much like the lockout timer. Time is expressed in seconds with 14 minutes equaling 840 seconds. Let's use this as our example. Place the side switch in the off position and again the display would show SBY. Enter the program mode. Press the arrow up prime key until the display shows 2. Press the Enter Program key. The red display first digit will blink, indicating you are setting the first digit in the delay time. Time is measured in seconds on your pump. A maximum setting of 999 seconds would be 999. For our example, we will want to select 840 seconds delay. Use the up arrow prime key to select the first digit you desire for the delay. In our example, this would be 8. When you have reached your desired set point, press the Enter Program key to set the first digit. The second digit will automatically begin to blink. Repeat this step for the remaining 2 digits in your time setting. In our example, the second number would be 4 and the last number would be 0. To save the setting you have programmed, after none of the digits are blinking, scroll through the menu options using the up arrow key until the display shows HLD. Then press the Enter Program key to save your settings. You have programmed your pump to delay pumping softener until 14 minutes after the activation button has been pressed. Your laundry pump is set. It is always recommended to run an empty machine wash cycle to observe the settings you have saved in action. This will serve as a check on your programming expertise.